na. Yun! SNR. Baliwag. Let's go, Day. Wait, Day lang. Hi, sir. Dion, where are you? Where are you? SNR what? Baliwag? Day 2? Ito na? 49 yan, sige.
Tingalawa tayo. Tara. Ano? Tayo na lang. Ano gusto mo?
Ano ba yan?
Sige, yun naman ang gusto.
Hindi, maibigay nga sana Calamars to eh.
Oh, sige, sige. Pero tigisa tayo. Oh.
Martinelli's. Apple juice. Ocean spray. Ito yung mandarin, ano. Ito yung mandarin orange.
Are you video it?
Yes. Hi, say hi. Ilan ito yung nakasale dun sa ano, SNR Malolos.
Wow.
Well, ngayon 114 lang. Oh. Doon 100 dati nabili. I'm vlogging.
Vlogging?
Yes. You want to vlog? Wildflower honey.
What? This is our house.
Oh, yan, maliit. Oh.
Daddy, this is our house.
400.
Daddy, alam mo, di naman.
1,159.
OMG, that's expensive.
Yes, that is.
I know.
At coconut Starbucks. Snickers, Pods. Ah, ito tinitibla. Swiss. Nice. Nice quick. Almond. Coffee mate. Ayun na, cacao light. Cacao light. Meron doon Swiss Miss tinitimpla. Isang malaki. Yes. Mura lang to doon. Hindi yung big na tela diyan. Oh. Big na tela to.
Really?
Huwag kang babagsak mo ha. Balik mo na.
It's not heavy.
Save it. Go. Eh, laking pepper oh.
Si, bawing ina, mayan.
Okay. Ilan? Picture kita. Picture. Oh. Nut sticks. 1,549. Yung pepper oh, 350 na yung malaki. Cacho. Oreo. Ito Oreo din, no? Space Dunk. Ay, may ano? Spaceship. Gusto mo niyan? Go, lagyan mo dun. Sige. Ayun mo kay mami, bigyan mo dun.
Mommy,
Bigyan kay mami, lapit ka dun.
9 times one.
Ito rin candy rin to.
You want
Hindi
that?
rin niya, pero kape.
You, do you want that?
Ah.
You, do you want that?
Do you want that? Hindi rin, niyayaya pa si Bill.
Ito, ano naman to? Parang mint.
Ano ba?
Ito, mixed fruits. Cavendish and Harvey. Ito, nerds. Ito, paborito ng mga bata sa ibang bansa to. Eh. Ano binili niya? Muffins.
Pending number 156, 160, 13, 61.
Is it your first time to see a conveyor belt? For groceries? Huh?
Dalawa na yung bracelet ko.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bakit alam mo yung kaya nyo?
Ang automatic. No! Get it now, get it.
Alright sila fries. Isa isang